Hello everyone, on this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the F-14. The F-14 is a very cool origami because it can fly. However, it does not fly very well, and it is pretty difficult to fold. So if you want to make it, you need to follow my instructions step by step. To make the F-14, you need a printing paper. You need to use a letter size paper. If you have A4 paper, just follow a link on my description. Print out the timeless and trim it down to US letter size ratio. Now let's start. First step, I fold the paper in half this way. Then I turn the paper over like this. Now fold the paper in half again. Unfold the paper now. At this point, I will open the pocket. And I will push this crease into this crease. Can you see the crease down here? Push it down. And then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Open the pocket, push the edge down. Then I fold this layer back to the side. Next step, I start from this side. I fold this edge to the center crease. And I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And then start from this edge to the center crease. Also this side. Now turn the paper over. Fold this layer to a side. Turn the paper this way. And now I'm going to make the wings by folding this layer to this side. You can see here, I have a right angle right here. And the distance from this corner to this edge is about ½ an inch. Same thing from this point to this corner. Next, fold this part of the paper like this and fold it to a side. Now repeat the same fold for this wing. Fold this layer to the opposite side and then fold it down, using this edge as your reference to fold. Then fold this layer back. Next step, I'm going to make the wing stronger. I will fold this part of the paper to a side first, and then I'll fold this edge down. The distance from this corner to the end of this fold is about ½ an inch. You don't need to fold exactly like me, but it is best you use a ruler to measure it. Now I fold this part of the paper back. Also fold this part of the paper over here, and I'll turn the paper this way, and I'm going to fold this edge toward this edge as well. You can just estimate this, and by practicing, you can measure correctly. And next, I will turn the paper over for this layer to the other side, and for this edge into the center crease. And repeat the same for this side. Next step, for this part down. And now I'm going to create the stabilizer. I will start from this edge. I will fold in like this, and now I estimate about a quarter of an inch from this edge along this edge. You can see it right here. Same thing for this side. And now I'll fold this edge to match with the edge over here. Same thing for the other side. And now fold the paper in half. Next, I'll fold this part of the paper down to create the wings. Estimate about 1 inch from the tip here around this edge, and fold down, and over here is about half an inch. Turn the paper over and repeat the same step. And here you go. This is the F-14, and you can test it out. Make sure that you curve these elevators up a little bit, also on the wings, and check how it's fly. If it's fly well for you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not done so.